Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set your Subaru Outback garage door opener. First, gather your original garage door remote control. Make sure your Subaru is parked within a reasonable distance of your garage. To begin, you will need to clear any existing programming from your home link system. Simply press and hold the two outer home link buttons on your rearview mirror until the indicator light begins to flash rapidly, which usually takes about 20 seconds. This ensures a fresh start for your new programming. Now, let's pair your handheld remote. Press and release the home link button on your Subaru's mirror that you wish to program. The indicator light will flash orange. Next, hold your original garage door remote control 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you just pressed. Simultaneously, press and hold the open button on your garage remote. Keep holding both buttons until the home link indicator light on your mirror turns solid green, signifying a successful pairing with the remote. For the next step, you'll need to sync with your garage door motor. Safely locate and press the Learn or Smart button on the back of your garage door opener motor. This button is often small and red or yellow. After pressing it, you have approximately 30 seconds to return to your Subaru. Once inside, firmly press and hold the home link button you just programmed for 2 seconds, then release. Repeat this action 2 more times for a total of 3 presses. Your garage door should now activate. Finally, it's time to test your newly programmed home link button. Press the button once to confirm that your garage door opens and closes correctly. If the indicator light flashes quickly and the door doesn't respond, you may need to repeat the motor syncing steps. Remember that some garage door openers have unique programming sequences, so always refer to your specific garage door opener's owner's manual for additional guidance or troubleshooting tips. Enjoy the convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.